The win ratio is 94%. It made $471 as the total net profit with a drawdown of $162. This means the recovery factor is 2.91. In this video, I will present you the results of Bitcoin BTCUSD by using HostAdvice EA. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. I have done backtesting and optimization of HostAdvice EA on Bitcoin, the last 1 year history and the 15-minute time frame. Let me show you all the results and reports. Here you can see I already done on all these pairs. If you want to get these input settings, you can contact me here on this Telegram channel. You can also check from the description of this video. So let's open the folder, and here are all these files: the optimization file, the best and safe input settings for the Bitcoin, and the results of best and safe input settings. Let's open this. I have done it on this time period, the 12 months, last 12 months on 15-minute time frame. $500 as the initial deposit and the $500 as leverage. It made $471 as the total net profit with a drawdown of $162. This means the recovery factor is 2.91, and also the profit factor is 2.54, which means the gross profit is 2.54 times higher than its gross loss, and the total net profit is 2.91 times higher than its drawdown. The win ratio is 94%. This is an amazing win ratio, and soon I'm going to put this EA with this input setting on my live trading account, and also I will share the live trading results here on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe to stay with us. Largest profit trade, the largest loss trade, the average losses, the average trades profits, and the average consecutive wins and the losses. Now let's move down on the graph, and here the graph is going upwards smoothly. And as always, I love a lot this kind of graph because there are no big dips, no big drawdowns. Here are two drawdowns, but these are not very high drawdowns. Now move down and let's have a look on the profit and losses by months. In the May, June, July, and all these months are consistently in profit, but the January and February are making very good profit, and these January, February are the 25 on the top. I already showed you the profit and losses by weekdays and the profit and losses by hours. From here you can get a clear idea that in which trading session this EA is performing best on the Bitcoin. Here below you can see all these graphs related to backtesting and optimization. Here you can see the minimal position holding time. This means most of the trades are closed within 4 minutes. The time is in minutes, and some trades are 8 minutes, some are 12 minutes, and there are very few trades which are closed in 40 minutes. Okay, and here below is the list of all trades. From here you can take clear image of the strategy, how much it is performing, how much the profits, how much losses. You can make decision that if you must use this EA on your live trading account or not. If you want to see the live trading results before going live on your trading account, you can wait, and I'm going to put this EA on my live trading account, and I will share the results every week here on this YouTube channel. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.